With problem 6, exercise 14b, and as usual we'll try to understand the question clearly first. So the question says, in the given figure ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus, okay, with angle A is equal to 67, and it's mentioned here already. Okay, fine. And if DEC is an equilateral triangle, DEC is an equilateral triangle. DEC is an equilateral triangle. So by this data, what we can immediately understand is, because ABCD is a rhombus, this measurement are same. And then he says that DEC is an equilateral triangle. So DC will be equal to DE and DE will be equal to EC. All these are of equal lengths. This is the first information we derive out of this. So now with these data, you are supposed to calculate first one, angle CBE. You need to calculate this angle CBE. How much is this? You're supposed to calculate this CBE. Okay. Then next, you're supposed to calculate angle DBE. Next, he wants you to calculate this particular angle. So let me mark it with a different color. Let me mark this with red. I don't think it makes yeah, okay. So you need to find this angle and then the this angle, this particular angle. Yeah, these two angles you are supposed to find out. This is a question. So let me just make a note of it here. First one, angle CBE, and then DBE. These two you are supposed to find out. Okay, now let me move. Solution to this. So first consider this rhombus ABCD. If you consider this rhombus ABCD, angle A and angle C are equal. So therefore this is 67 degrees. Okay, opposite angles are equal in a rhombus. And then this is 60 degree. Why this is 60 degree? The reason, DEC is an equilateral triangle. So in rhombus ABCD, angle C is equal to 67 degree opposite to angle A. That is my reason. That's it. And then in equilateral triangle, DEC, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Now consider triangle BCE. Consider triangle BCE. I am asking you to consider this particular triangle. Let me highlight that for you. So first I want you to consider this triangle. Okay. Consider triangle BCE, or rather I will write consider isosceles triangle BCE. Consider isosceles triangle BCE. Okay, here what I will do, because this BCE is an isosceles triangle, I know this angle angle C is 60 plus 67. I have written it here. It is 60 It is 60 plus 67, and these two sides are equal. Therefore, this angle and this angle will be equal. Let me call this as x. Let me call this as x. Consider isosceles triangle BCE. Now, in this triangle, what happens? Angle E plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180-degree angle sum property. Angle E is equal to x plus angle C is 60 plus 67. 60 plus 67 is 127 plus angle B is x is equal to 180-degree. X plus x gives me 2x plus 127 equals 180-degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 127, which is 53 degrees, and x is equal to 53 by 2, which is 26.5 degrees. So now I have found the first part, angle CBE. CBE equals 26.5. This is done. Next, we need to find the other part, angle DBE. For that, what I will do, let me just delete this. For the next part, which is angle DBE, which I have marked this here in red. For that, what I'll do is, in triangle, first I'll choose triangle BDC. Can I highlight with a different color? Yes, yeah. So now I'm choosing triangle BDC. I'm choosing this triangle BDC. So I'm choosing this particular triangle. So when I choose this triangle, what happens? Here I see that BC and CD are equal length, so it is an isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle BDC, we have DC equals BC. DC equals BC. So then what I will do, because of that, angle D will be equal to angle B. Let me call angle D as M, and I'm talking about this angle. Let it be M, and I'll call this also M. Okay. So DC equals BC, and angle D equals angle B equals M. So in this isosceles triangle, what happens? Angle D plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180-degree. Now I am calling D as M and B as M. Okay, why is this 180-degree? Again, you have to write that angle sum property. Plus angle C. We have found out that angle C is 67 degrees equals 180. Now 2M plus 67 is equal to 180. 2M is equal to 180 minus 67. This is equal to 180 minus 67. Just do that in the working column. 113, and m is equal to 113 by 2, and that is equal to 56.5 degrees. Okay. After this, angle DBC, and angle DBC equals angle DBE plus angle CBE. Okay. Angle DBC, just now we found out it is equal to 56.5 equals angle DBE, we don't know, I'll call it as it is, DBE plus CBE. Earlier we found that CBE equals 26.5. Therefore, angle DBE equals 56. Send this 26.5 on the other side, so it becomes 56.5 minus 26.5, which is 30 degree. So that's it, we found angle DBE equals 30.